Hey everyone, so I just got home to find that my package from Pavement came and I'm really excited to see what's inside. And I thought I might share that experience with you guys because I don't actually know what's inside this box. So it's going to be very interesting and I'm very excited. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, got it open. It's cool bags. Okay, so this is a little note on it, and it says a festive pavement outfit just for Ivy. Okay, let's see what's inside. See red. Is this a dress? Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Can't wait to try that on. Been needing a Christmas dress. That's so cute. There's some shoes as well. These little silver shoes. The little diamantes on them. So cute. Okay. There's another box that says, don't forget to accessorize, but I'm going to open that later and I'm going to go and try on my dress and I'm so excited to see it on because it looks so cute. I can't wait. Okay, see you in a second.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, this is the outfit on. I'm really loving this so much. With the little ruffles are amazing. The way it moves is just... And what's also good is the lace up, you can tighten it and loosen it. And these little cute silver thingies tie in with the shoes, which are also so cute. So I'm loving this outfit so far. Let's open our accessories. So we have this little gold cat ear headband, and also we have this little silver bag with gold stars on it. Ties in with the shoes as well, and one more accessory. And now you're ready for your Christmas party. Bye!